Everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best and Best Custom Screens. Hey, so today I am going to show you how to install a solar screen on a window frame, edge to edge. We're going to basically drill through the frame and screw directly onto, onto the window frame. First thing is that I'm in Las Vegas, so this is how they mostly do them out here in the north side of Las Vegas because it's pretty windy out here. You can see even today it's still early and the wind has picked up. So, before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and select the alert notifications so that way you can see any new how-to videos that we have coming out. Okay, thank you very much, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Thanks. Okay, everyone. So the first step is we're going to pre-drill the frame. This size window, it's not too big, so we're going to do one in the center here, one in the center each side, and one in the center on the bottom. So I'll just show you how to drill through the first one or first one or the second one, whatever. And then after we will, with the frame up, we will drill through the actual window frame. Now you have to make sure that it's all the way over and that you're not going to hit the glass. Okay, so my drill hole is going to have to literally be in the center of this frame. Okay, so that it's not touching any glass at all. Okay. Okay, it's the first one, first side. Second side, and I'm using it on the hammer drill. Right, is that right? Yeah. Cut it, there you go. Yeah. Over. Okay, so the frame, I drilled a hole at 5/32, and now I have a 1/8 inch drill bit, and that hole we're going to drill through the actual window frame, and we're going to use this standard 1-inch screw on this 7/16 frame, so it just grabs just right. Okay. Okay. Come over here. I think I'm going to make sure it's not to over torque it. It's just enough so don't bend the frame. It's a little bit, okay. Well, if you notice, I angled up a little bit. I just wanted to make sure we miss any glass, any frame. I'm always really overly cautious. Okay. So guys, that's how you install a solar screen. Frame to frame measurement, and just shooting and pre-drilling the holes and using screws to bolt it down. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Take care. God bless, and have a great day, and catch you next time. See ya. Bye.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.